What's up guys, Crane here from LogicLounge.com, and today I want to review two products from a company called Snap Power. They had contacted me a couple weeks ago seeing if I wanted to review their product, and I'm finally getting around to giving my thoughts on them. What these products are they are replacements for the plates that go on your wall sockets, and they extend the functionality of what they can do. The one here on the right is a Guidelight, so there's a photocell receptor here, so when it gets dark enough, it'll activate these 3 LED lights. And the other one I have here is a USB port. It's 1 amp and 5 volts, I believe, so you can charge most phones right there. And you might be wondering how they do this. Well, on most wall sockets, they actually have exposed bits where you can get current out of the side of the internal workings of the wall socket. So that's what it takes advantage of. It has these 2 tabs right here that when put on to the wall socket, they will make contact, freeing up both of your plugins while also providing power to the devices itself. So like I said, one is a Guidelight, one is a USB. They come in multiple different varieties. This one happens to be white. They come in almond, a darker like vanilla color, and black, so you can match it to your house. You can also order these in multiple packs. I believe you can do 3, 5, or 10, and they come with different wall socket layouts. So these ones have the individual ones. They also have ones that are square, and they are used for extending, like I said, extending your wall socket. So you can free up a charging cable via having one with a USB port here. Now, these aren't on my walls for one good reason, is that my house, although built in the 90s, wasn't really able to accept these. These 2 tabs were actually at a different height than I needed them for them to both line up with the screw as well as lining up with my sockets. While this is the correct one that I needed for my house, it just didn't line up properly. But I went to another house and I tried it out and it worked just fine. So I don't know what happened with my house specifically. It might be just special enough where that just happened. So I wasn't able to fully review these things for a longer period of time, but I did get to use and test them out in a house that did and was able to accept them. Now with the USB port charging one, I had a good success with this one. It charged my tablet as well as my phone, although it will charge your tablet slowly since it's only 1 amp, and I believe it's 1.5 amps usually to charge tablets. So it isn't as powerful for charging tablets, but I was able to do that. But you can definitely charge phones with these. Now for the Guidelight itself, I actually found this very useful. However, the LEDs at the bottom were kind of dim. They were bright enough where in a very dark environment, let's say at like nighttime, it did provide good enough coverage, but they weren't as bright as I would have liked them for lights. Other than that, I had a good chance in using them. Both of these products are UL listed, meaning that they are put through extra safety tests. The installation instructions were fairly easy. All you need to do is turn off the circuit breaker, install it, and then turn on back that circuit breaker, and you are good to go. So check this out for yourself, snappower.com, if you want to pick one up for yourself. They have the Guidelight and the USB one right now. They come in different packs, and they will probably be coming out with more products, but these are the 2 ones that they are offering right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I will see you guys in our next video.